Why do you feel optimistic about restating the targets for the second half of the year, Giulio?
Good morning. So on the current situation, I would say what you're referring to is the net income, which is slightly below the consensus, but you need to understand clearly that in an environment like this, there is some kind of volatility. In reality, the primary metric, how we measure performance, is the underlying profit or the operating profit. And on that measure, we have a very strong operating profit of 3.5 billion, which is 5% higher compared to last year. It's also higher compared to the consensus. Indeed, this is the highest operating profit we had in the second quarter. So the underlying performance is very good, and this is also the reason why we are confident as we go into the second part of the year. And then clearly, in this kind of environment, you're going to pick up some volatility on the below the line items, but overall the business is performing really nicely, and we see this basically across the different segments.
Can we talk about the P&C business here, because it does seem to have been a strong contributor to operating profit, and you've stated a combined ratio for the period at 93.6%. Do you expect that number really to be ballpark as you run into the third quarter, or will there be some improvement in the momentum in that business?
I think a lot is going to depend also on the amount of natural catastrophe. As you see in the second quarter and also in the first quarter, the amount of natural catastrophe was higher compared to our expectations. So if we are going to see natural catastrophe normalizing down to what is more the normal kind of run rate, then I would say there is also some upside on the combined ratio in P&C. What we are seeing right now is some inflation kicking in, but we also see that we are getting the rate increases that we need to get in order to make sure that we can preserve the margin. Another point which is very important, one part of the profitability in the property casualty is coming from the combined ratio, from the underwriting results, but also we get profitability coming from the investment results. And the investment result is clearly going up because the interest rate environment is more favorable. So when we put together the underwriting results and the investment results, we definitely see that we are now performing in the property casualty ahead of our outlook, which was of about 1.5 billion of operating profit per quarter.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.